Welcome to this instructional video on how to use the thermal hypercap or THC. Let's walk through the key components and heating modes to help you get the most out of your brand new THC. First, the parts. The cap. This holds the core in place and fits snugly over the hypertip. The core, a metal receptacle that holds the heat-retaining media. The balls, sapphire balls that are held inside the core and retain heat. Using the thermal hypercap. The thermal hypercap features two distinct heating modes, convection and hybrid. Here's how to use each one for the best experience. Convection mode. Begin by inserting the core. Start by placing the side with the holes of the core into the cap. Then, use the mouthpiece of your device to press the core into place securely. For better control, align the perforations of the core with the hole and the cap. Heating. Aim the flame at the side opening of the cap. Heat until you hear the click. Usage. Once you've heard the click, inhale and enjoy your session. You can keep drawing until the cooldown click occurs and repeat as desired. Hybrid mode. For hybrid mode, place the flat side of the core into the cap. Secure it in place by pressing with the mouthpiece of your device. Heating. Rotate and apply the flame, heat until you hear the click. Now you can use a lower powered torch or a high powered torch with caution. Usage. Inhale and enjoy your session and draw until the cooldown click occurs. Repeat as desired. Removing the core. To switch between heating modes, you'll need to remove and reorient the core in the cap. Cooldown. Make sure the core and cap have cooled completely before attempting removal. Core removal. To remove the core, press gently into the top opening of the cap with the mouthpiece of your device. This will dislodge and remove the core. Do not use any sharp objects such as the tip of a pen. Once the core is removed from the cap, you can change the balls inside. Here's how. Over a container to catch any spills, use your fingernail to remove the lid of the core and empty the contents. Clean the balls and store them safely for future use. To replace them or swap out for a new media type such as stainless steel for use in an induction heater, pour the new balls into the core over a container. Then close the core by pressing the lid back on. And that's it. You are all set to use the thermal hypercap to its full potential. Happy seshing.